In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use LatitudePay in 2025, step by step. To get started, the very first thing you need to do is make sure the store you're shopping with actually accepts LatitudePay. This is important because LatitudePay only works with participating merchants. When you're on the checkout page, look for the LatitudePay logo or check the available payment methods for options like Buy Now, Pay Later or LatitudePay. If you don't see it listed there, then that store likely doesn't support it. Once you've confirmed the store accepts LatitudePay, the next step is creating your account if you're using it for the first time. At checkout, select LatitudePay as your payment method, then choose the sign up option. You'll be asked to enter your basic details, such as your full name, mobile number, and email address. After that, you'll need to provide a valid form of identification, such as a passport or driver's license. Depending on your country, you'll also need to link a Visa or MasterCard debit or credit card, since that card will be used for your repayments. In most cases, approval only takes a few minutes, so the process is usually pretty quick. After your account is ready, you can continue by choosing LatitudePay at checkout whenever you're ready to pay. Select it as your payment method, confirm your purchase, and then your first payment is usually charged right away. In many cases, that first payment is around 10% upfront. If your application is approved instantly, you'll be able to complete the purchase right away. The remaining balance is then split into 9 weekly payments, making 10 weeks in total, including the upfront payment. For example, if your purchase is 1,000 pesos, you might pay 100 pesos upfront, then 100 pesos each week for the next 9 weeks. That structure can make larger purchases feel more manageable. After the purchase is completed, your weekly payments are charged automatically to the card you linked earlier. You can also manage everything inside your LatitudePay account, which makes it easier to stay on top of your payments. Inside your dashboard or app, you can view your payment schedule, change your payment card, pay early if you want to, and track your purchase history. These tools are useful if you want more control over your account or simply want to keep an eye on upcoming charges. Finally, to avoid late fees, make sure your linked card always has enough available balance and try to pay on time every week. Depending on your region, late payments may result in extra fees, so staying organized is the best way to use LatitudePay smoothly and responsibly.